Wow, it got cold all of a sudden outside. Well, fall is here, but what does that mean for the Sacramento real estate market? Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento area realtor, and it is fall 2020. This is your market update, monthly update for Sacramento real estate. We're going to the end of October, beginning of November, and we're going to talk about the stats, what happened in September. So that's going to give us an idea of what had kind of been happening, yet we're also going to talk about what's going on right now and sort of moving forward as well, all right? So let's throw the numbers up. Okay, for September 2020, active listing inventory. These are the amount of homes that are on the market right now, 1,257. So about 1,200, 1,300 homes. Well, at this time last year, we had twice as many homes available, 2,500 homes compared to about 1,200 to 1,300 right now. So we have half as many houses available as we did at this exact same time last year. Okay, well, let's look at the pendings. There's about 2,300 pending escrows right now, and that's up 20% from this same time last year. So we've got less homes available and we've got more going into escrow. Supply and demand issue going on there. Number of closed escrows in September was about 1,700. That's up from the month before. Typically at this time of year, we're starting to see the sales taper off. We're starting to see less sales in September, October, November. And yet this year, due to the pandemic and everything that crazy that's been going on, the market has shifted and we are having a super solid market in the fall right now. So 1,700 closed escrows, that is up more than 21% from the same time last year. So we've got less homes available, we got more deals going into escrow, and we've got more homes closing escrow than we did at this time last year. That translates to a super low inventory. We got 0.7 months worth of inventory. That is extremely low, which means the median price is continuing to go up. It jumped up again in September. We're up to $438 for the Sacramento area. That's up 3% from a month ago, and it's also up 13.5% from a year ago. So think back to your economics classes in high school, gosh, even just middle school or elementary school. Supply and demand, that is driving prices right now. We have very little supply, we have very high demand, and it's driving prices up. Many properties right now are experiencing multiple offers at or above list price. In most cases, if it's priced right, it's going above list price, and they're selling super fast. It's crazy. I've got some buyers. We're getting out to it the first day it's hitting the market and getting an offer in because it might be too late after that at that point. So there was a little bit of a slowdown in end of August, beginning of September, and I think what happened was a lot of families, they went back to school, and it was a little chaotic trying to get their kids set up on the whole Zoom distance learning wackiness going on. And so I think a lot of them said, time out, we just can't be looking for a house right now. Well, they've gotten into their routines, and we've got another chunk of buyers back into the market right now. So things hit a little bit of a slow, just took a split second breather there. And now we're back at it running a sprint in this market right now. It's pretty wild. At this time of year, we usually aren't seeing this, but this is a year like any other. So moving forward, I think we're gonna have a pretty darn strong November and December at the end of this year here. I think we're gonna remain low inventory as well as high demand. I think we're gonna continue to keep seeing some multiple offers and things like that. Obviously, there's a little bit of a wild card coming up. We got the election is just about to happen as I'm shooting this video, and that could maybe have things hit timeout or pause for another week or two, kind of like we saw when school started. That might happen again, I don't know, but it's a pretty wild market right now. So if you're thinking about buying, I've actually gotten 4 or 5 of my buyers in the last month into escrow. I've got certain strategies and techniques that just really help get your offer to the top of the pile. And so if you're looking for that, reach out to me. We can set up an appointment, get you pre-approved, and get going with my process. If you're looking to sell, there is a strategic way to go about it to get you the most amount of money. Even in a market like this, you still have a process that can be done in a right way to set you up for success at the finish line and have it go awesome for you and have a great experience as a seller. So realestatewithdoug.com, check out my website. I hope everyone's doing great. Have a wonderful Halloween. I hope you're able to do something. I know it's an odd one this year, but I hope everyone's enjoying this kind of colder, crisp weather, and I look forward to talking to you soon, and clear skies.